Alright, what's up everyone? We've been experiencing some strange knocks around the house and just thought I would try a little bit of a session and walk around right out back here. So stay tuned. Hello. Testing the audio. Making sure my mic's working again. So who's around here? I have a device here if you want to come up to it and talk to me. I know. Hello. Who's here with me? A nutshell. What about a nutshell? Are you stuck to the land? That's squirming. That's a weird one. I'm hooked. That was a weird one. Who are you? Morgan. What can you tell me about yourself? Very strange sound. What the heck? Are you the trickster? Thank you for communicating. I'm gonna end this session, okay? Thank you. Well, everyone, that does it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Just thought I would give this a try. And if you liked the video, smash that like button and share this out. Thank you, guys.